Hey guys, first of all, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you my make money online setup from home. So you can see I have one Lenovo one all-in-one PC, and I have one iMac 2011, and I have one Lenovo laptop, and I have one MacBook Pro 2020 model. So this is simple setup for me. So I use this setup to make money online, from like affiliate marketing using ClickBank and most other high ticket affiliate programs. So if you want to learn more about how to make money online and how to quit your job, how to live a dream you wanted for, so keep subscribing my YouTube channel. And if you like more videos on how to make money online, you can comment on this video, and I will create a videos for you. So guys, till now, have a nice day, and I wish a happy success on your life. Thank you.